Friday. Spring equinox. March 21st, 2025. Oh, they're coming back. Gosh, that must be fun. I see. Oh, they just like a little dip and then they run away again. Okay. I've seen blackbirds have a lot of fun in the puddle, but I haven't seen this before. This is really a treat. To enjoy as much as I did. I'm right here in old San Juan. These are these gorgeous old Spanish buildings that are now run by the Department of Culture. And this is an interesting building. This is called the Plastic Arts Building. And there's an exhibition there that I haven't figured out how to get into. Right behind us is El Morro, which is the point that every ship has to pass, and if they don't do the right thing, they can be shot. Some guns there in an opposite island. This is the 14-feet wide wall. So I've had plenty of other videos, not usually from here though. Usually from up the top of the mountain. And there's a kite. There's birds everywhere. And they're back. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Susanna J. Dodgson, March 21st, 2025.